Hi, I hope you're doing well. As for myself, I am freezing. Anyway, I was sifting through old projects and I found a little gem. So, last year, instead of focusing on my advanced computer theory module, I instead endeavored to build my own version of Paint. For the simple reason that when I started programming, it was one of the projects that I wanted to build. Let's take a look at what I got done. I'll be honest, I am just as lost as you. But I guess we can use signs and signals. We can interpret them. This is definitely the paintbrush, so that allows you to. Oh, okay. For some reason, I was tracking the motion. I guess I was debugging something. But anyway, okay, yeah. So I have the ability to draw on the canvas. This is definitely the only shape for some reason I think I wanted to draw because no other shape really needs to be drawn. This is a cursor, I assume, for selecting objects. I think I can grow this, and it doesn't grow with it. That's odd. And then should be able to shrink. Yeah, cool. Alright, why is that not reducing in size or not expanding as the actual object expands? Okay, let's look at it again, okay? Let's increase your size. As we decrease you, that does not decrease, which means I am not redrawing those four circles on the four corners of the now reduced shape. Okay, that can be fixed later on. I wonder why I left it. Anyway, this is okay. This is a paint selector. Let's just do this blue tint. Uh, no item. Okay, so it has to be an item. Oh, all right. So that will allow me to fill in a object or a shape, I guess, or I guess whatever is determined to be an item. In the case of QCanvas, then I have a delete page. What? Oh, okay, clear page. All right. What this has to be increased width. Yes, it is increased width. And the initial size does not consider the fact the window is now being enlarged. That's what there was this weird effect that occurred here. So let's get rid of that. Let's do this. Oh, so it also increases this shape. Wait, why? I don't do that. Something went wrong. Interesting. It's all coming back to me. Yes, I abandoned this midway because, as I mentioned earlier, I was building this the week of my computer theory final. Pure ignorance of my part. I assumed the exam would be easy, and as soon as the professor released a past paper, I knew I was cooked. So clearly, this needs quite a bit of work to get running, and fair enough on my side, I did it in a haste. But that's fine. I can get back to it later. Let's look at the code, which I do not even remember. I just called it dialogue, not even paint dialogue, just dialogue, dialogue.show. So there's your canvas. This is, I assume, okay, this is where we draw on. All right, I get that. Circle, adjust, item, top left, top right, bottom left. Okay, so this is for using the controls when you enlarge or shrink a shape. Your dialogue, this is your actual paint dialogue, I mean your actual dialogue that you present to the user. You then have a resizable rect. So this is a rectangle that can be resized, resizable rect. And then something called smooth line, just smooth line, public QGraphics line item. Let's go look in the implementation file. Add line. Okay, this is the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay, so upon that initial draw, I was drawing an x and y axis. I assume I was doing debugging, if I'm not mistaken, when I had initially done it. Yeah, but I think that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll do some more code alongs or start doing code alongs. Alright, bye bye.